I do negotiate for, for leasing farms, leasing land. Well, I'm still Mr. Chainsaw. I'm still they come to me for chainsaw work. And so that's my exercise. You need the cerebral and you need the physical, and so of course, I'm doing a lot of writing, which is not necessarily the farm now. I mean, I edit the Stockman Grass Farmer. I do this weekly podcast. We've got there's curriculums. There's the video, the Farm Like a Lunatic curriculum. There's all this stuff. So of course, I'm making outlines. I just got back from South Africa doing seminars. I'm out and about. My mentor Alan Nation used to say, a business is a little bit like a person. You birth it and you got to really babysit. I mean, you got to really change diapers, and there's a lot of stinko, and you got to babysit this thing. But then then the kid gets a little bit of starts to walk a little bit, and you get it. You kind of breathe a little bit, and okay, it's not quite as time consuming. And then it comes into adolescence. Things are going on its own, and at some point it matures to where you don't have to babysit it all the time, and you can go do other things. But to get a business to that level requires a team, and a team has to be paid. And so as you get there, you have to think about margins, you have to think about finance, you've got to think about profit margins, overheads, all those things, marketing, obviously, in order for you to be able to move to $200 an hour tasks and let somebody else do the $20 an hour tasks. That's the only way you can make progress as a business. That doesn't mean you have to build an empire, okay? But it does mean that it has to be more than you.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.